Now question number 3. Reader exercise 11.2. Third question. Draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. Then you have to take 2 points P and Q on its extended diameter, each at a distance of 7 centimeter from the center. And from these 2 points you have to draw the tangents to the given circle. So you need to have your scale, sharp pencil and compass and a pencil fixed to it. Okay. Now in this question you have 3 parts. The first part says draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. So I just show you the measurement, but it is not going to be a exact one, but you will measure an exact 3 centimeter in your compass with the help of scale. Now place the compass in your notebook and draw a circle. At the center of the notebook you try to draw a circle of radius. So name the center as usual as O, and below the circle name the radius as 3 centimeter. This is a circle of radius 3 centimeter. Now on extended diameter, so from the center you measure 7 centimeter using the scale. Keep a point here. Same way here also you measure 7 centimeter this side. Both the sides you measure and join, remove the scale. One side you name it as P, capital letters, another side it is Q. Now for the circle, the point P is exterior point, point Q is another exterior point. According to the theorem 2, what it says, from an external point we can draw 2 tangents to the given circle. Same way this is another external point. From here you are going to make 2 tangents. Construction of tangent is similar. So first you say take this line segment, measure more than half, draw perpendicular bisector. Repeat this from this side also. So both the sides for OP and OQ we are going to draw perpendicular bisector. For that I am cutting arcs on both the sides. Now take your scale and pencil, draw the perpendicular bisector on both the sides. As usual, let this perpendicular bisector meet OP at M, OQ at N. Wherever you name everywhere with capital letters. Now take your compass, keep the needle on O, needle on M, pencil on P, draw a circle. Let the circle pass through O and P. Same way keep the needle at N, draw a circle. This circle is passing through O and Q. Okay, this is not exact, some little difference is there. Okay, so these 2 circles touch at 2 places. Same way this one and this one meet at 2 places. Let us name it as capital A, capital B, capital C capital D. Now take your scale and pencil, join P to A, P to B. Same way, with this help of scale and pencil, CQ, DQ. Now you have to measure AP, BP. Same way here you measure CQ, DQ. Measure and we shall check with your actual calculation. So this is how you are going to do this construction. Now let me repeat. This question has 3 parts. The first part is drawing a circle with radius 3 centimeter. So that is the first thing I am making. Measure 3 centimeter with compass using scale. Draw a circle at the center of your notebook. Now on the extended diameter you are going to take 2 points P and Q. Both the points are of 7 centimeter distance from the center. From here 7 centimeter, from here opposite side 7 centimeter. Okay, so this is the PQ is called the extended diameter. From P draw 2 tangents, from Q draw 2 tangents. Now how to make tangents? For this line segment, perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector meeting OQ at N. Keep N as center. Draw a circle. This circle pass through O and Q. Intersect the previous circle at 2 places C and D. Join CQ, DQ. Measure and check whether both measure same. Repeat all these steps this side also for OP. Perpendicular bisector, meet OP at M, keep M as center, draw a circle. The circle, previous circle, it cuts at A and B, join PA, join PB and check AP equal to BP. So with this construction is completed.